My outfit hasn't arrived, I've got nothing to wear. Good morning, how are you? I'm feeling absolutely awful. I'm floored, I'm run down, I've got the cold. And it is the Brit Awards day, which is something I've always wanted to go to since literally being a teenager, like 2 years ago. I'm going along with Smashbox Makeup, and also with GLAMGLOW, who are part of the Estee Lauder group. But I'm going along, yeah, I'm going along for a glam day. So basically, this is me when I don't do anything to myself. I'm gonna go to the Mondrian Hotel, we're gonna get ready, use products, get dressed, and then we're going for dinner. But I'm excited. Although I'm feeling ill, I'm very excited. I still don't have my outfit ready. I need to actually go and pick it up. So we've got about like 3 hours, then I'm gonna get the car. It's a lemsip time for me now. Okay, we've got some mild drama. Just been to go and pick up my post, of which my full outfit for tonight should be in. My outfit hasn't arrived, I've got nothing to wear. It's fine though, no one's died. Yet, I will hunt this person down. 30 minutes to work something out. I'm gonna put some calls in. What kind of car is this?
This is a Mercedes E-Class.
Okay.
The new one, so this is...
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure, Mr. James.
Thank you. Thank you.
Lovely, thanks.
Oh, there was supposed to be something at reception for me, aka my clothing. Not here. What am I gonna wear? Okay. This is quite major views from this room that we're getting ready in. Okay, we may have been saved. I've got this. Thank you, Charlotte at ASOS, who literally just got a courier to deliver me some clothing. I'm not that precious, seriously, I'm not a princess either. Yes, I've got it.
Oh, good.
Medium one. This is the get ready. Natalie, you ready?
Can you do the bubble shoot for him? Yes.
Hi, Natalie.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
After the stress of the outfit, I feel like this is gonna be needed.
So yeah, literally there's eye holes, so you can just
Okay.
put your eye.
I have done a mask before. So this is a bubble mask.
Yeah, bubble sheet is cool. Our first sheet one.
Oh god, it's really bubbling, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks so good. Now you're all cleansed.
I'm trying this for Cosmic Moisturizer. God, this feels kind of weird. It smells good though. Bit of Daniel Sandler primer before I get the old foundation or powder on. Yeah, I'm not going to go too much. Guys, you can see if you go too much, especially in this light, you'll see here. Just buffing it in. All the top tips, Natalie, with me. All the top tips. Menergy Anti-Shine, yeah. I've used this since I was 18.
Oh really? I
Yeah.
didn't even know. I've never even heard of that brand.
This has been discontinued. Give me bread. Because someone got it like in their eye, but I still use it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's really hot in here. Darker brows. I like a dark brow, do you?
Yeah, I love it. I can see my mind, babe. Thank you.
Okay, moustache wax has been heated.
Ooh.
People will be like, you're not the same guy that just came in here looking like a tramp. there we go. So skin, I used some of the GLAMGLOW moisturizer, matte moisturizer. Then got brows, I've got Benefit Brow. What else do I have? Lockhart's Moustache Wax. Hair, I've used some Fudge Tri-Blow just to get all that volume in. Then Patrick's S2. Outfit is an ASOS double-breasted blazer. ASOS roll neck. Then trousers, ASOS velvet. And I think these are, where are these from? June. Fun. Brit's life. Got the ticket. Heading to the O2 for dinner. Almost at the Intercontinental. Danielle's doing a little dance in the back. Look at that glittery top on that. Actually, because I feel dressed. Alexis has been singing all the way.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you've stopped singing now though, haven't you? Thank you very much. There's a lot going on here. A lot of step and repeat boys on the old red carpet. And just gasping for a drink. Professional and a loser. I've got a panel tomorrow and I was like, I can't stay for the after party. Really sad, Robin, isn't it? You look great in your Brits outfit, you're going home. But no, I have had a good one. So this is it. Me going home. Look at this light. Me going home after night at the Brits. So thank you Smashbox and GLAMGLOW. Very, very enjoyable. Also hair, face, outfit all still in place. Thanks, Rupa. Oh, just get in the car. Thanks. Oh, there we go. I was gonna leave it there, but thought I would take you home with me. We are at 11:20. Some people are going on to the after party, but I've got a panel tomorrow, so like some actual important stuff for work. And I thought, no, I need to be fresh. So really, tonight I've had a few glasses of wine, a gin, a champagne. So for me, fairly tame. Got up, sorry, just trying to get my shoes off now. With one hand, it's very difficult. Do you know what? Pull these off like this. Just want to come home and chill. I did have a really great time though, I've got to say, really great group of girls. I was the only guy, but really nice group of girls, all like super sweet. They are going on to the after party, some are going home. I'm gonna see a couple of them tomorrow for this panel that I'm doing. But I had a really good time and it was fun. I feel like I'm back in the land of the living, enjoying life. But now is very much going to be a lem sip moment. This sore throat is definitely not going anywhere. It's very much hanging around me. So lem sip, we'll get on it. Hi, look, you're back there. But thank you very much for watching. As ever, guys, let me know if you like these sort of vlog style. I know they're slightly different from my usual setups, but I'm keen to hear what you think. If you're new to my channel and you've not, got to do this, and you've not yet, press subscribe then. Hey, I'm so tired, press subscribe, it's up there. There's also more video suggestions down there, link to my blog there, and also my podcast, it's on Spotify and iTunes. I would love you to listen, tell me what you think. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.